Patty and this is Robert, and today we are going to go through our first exercise video, which is our squat progression. So we're going to start with a sumo squat, which may be appropriate for those of you who experience some flexibility issues in your hip or maybe have some knee issues. So with Robert, we're going to start with a foot stance, a little wider than shoulder width apart, toes slightly toed out. We're going to focus this movement from the hips first, keeping a nice tall sternum. We're going to hinge back at the hips, making sure that our weight is in the heels, and then we're going to press through the heels and squeeze the glutes as we pull back up. A couple of common mistakes in this squat we want to show you so that you can avoid them. One of them is as you're coming down into the squat, we want to make sure that the knees are not folding in or buckling in. The other thing we want to make sure that you're doing is, and we'll do a side view here, is when you come down into that squat, again, we want to make sure that the knees don't come past the toes, and that when you pull back up or push back up, that you shift your weight into the heels and then you squeeze and push back up so that your knees are protected.